Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy Sun. If you're new here, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. For today's video, I'm partnering up with Lanier to bring you this review of MISSOMA jewelry. I did disclose this similar statement in my previous Majuri collection review haul, basically stating that this is in collaboration with Lanier. They were really kind to let me choose a few gold pieces from different jewelry brands and review for you guys on my channel. I thought that was super cool because they let me choose the video idea, the concept, the pieces that I want to show. I feel really grateful to have this opportunity to be able to experience a few new jewelry brands such as MISSOMA. I did receive these two pieces as gifts from Lanier. They let me pick out what I wanted to try out, but that's not going to hinder my honest review on this video, obviously, and that goes for any of my other collaborations and partnerships. I feel like I don't really need to say that, but I know some people are kind of iffy on sponsorships and whatnot. But anyway, if you guys are unfamiliar with MISSOMA, they are a London-based jewelry brand and they have a lot of really cool kind of edgy modern pieces. I think they're really cute and unique. I did think that their jewelry pieces do look very distinct in terms of style, which I really enjoyed. Another thing that I appreciated about MISSOMA is that on their website, you can really read extensively about their efforts for sustainability in the jewelry industry, but they also seem really honest and transparent about their approach and are being realistic about it. Let's go ahead and get into the packaging. I do feel like this video is going to be relatively short because I only have two pieces to show you guys. This is my first time trying MISSOMA pieces, so I'm super excited to dig in. In the package, I obviously got two pieces, so they both came in individual boxes. It came with a little polishing cloth. I believe you would just get one per order because I didn't get two, I just got one. And it just looks like a really tiny little, I don't know, like glasses lens wipe kind of situation. It's super cute. It's really mini. I did mention this in my Majuri haul as well, but I personally don't really use stuff like this that much because I'm lazy, but also because I tend to lose them. So I feel like it would be really great if those jewelry brands would allow us to select if we want them or not, because I would have definitely been okay without this. The boxes are super nice. Packaging wise, I think they are really substantial and pretty fancy. The jewelry comes in with this, like, I don't know, I will try to see if this will fit. Oh, I definitely saw that coming. They come in this little pouch, you saw it inside here. It comes with also the, what is this? The pack that you should not eat or swallow, so don't do that. Make sure to discard them appropriately. This is the little pouch that the jewelry comes in. I think it's really cute and tiny. These are really tiny, so I don't think I can even show them to you on camera, but I will try my best to give you like an iPhone shot of what these look like, because sometimes the iPhone quality tends to capture the details a little bit better than my main camera. It's a really tiny ear cuff situation. These are called the thread stone huggies, and they're called that because you can actually thread this pointy part through your actual piercing. So this is actually not a cuff, because cuffs go kind of like, I don't know, I feel like cuffs you don't need a piercing for because you just kind of slide it through your earlobe and cartilage area, but these ones you can actually put it through your piercing. These retail for $64. It has 4 stars out of 5, and they are made out of 18 karat gold plated vermeil with cubic zirconia. I think these are really cute and dainty. In regards to the topic of jewelry material, I touch on the differences between solid gold, gold plated, and vermeil in my previous Lanier jewelry brand review video, so go ahead and check that out if you're curious about learning a little bit more on that. Basically, I wanted to mention that because since these are vermeil, I will not feel comfortable swimming in it, going into the shower, working out in them, just because vermeil is not like foolproof. It's not as durable as solid gold basically. So I would be taking these off when I'm in the shower and doing those daily activities. But I do think that this is super cute and the quality looks really nice. It's very shiny. Nothing looks bent out of place or anything. That is the first piece. The second piece I got is called the Mini Pave Spike Charm Hoop Earrings. 4 stars out of 5 and retail for $103. They're made out of 18 karat gold plated vermeil and cubic zirconia, just like the last piece I showed you. This is what they look like, and they are so cute. I'm not sure if you can see that. Oh, there we go. The focus is better on this one because it's not as tiny, but it is like a dangly kind of icicle sort of situation. I love it. The design is really edgy and cool. I really like it, and I think with the cuff or the thread earrings, it would look really nice together. These also look really well made. The hinge is pretty secure. Yeah, the hinge is really secure actually, so that's nice. It's more secure than my hoop hinge from Missouri actually. This one has like a different hinge system. So the hinge system is a little different. It just kind of goes in between these two bars. I will go ahead and put these on for you and show you what it looks like on my ears. I feel like putting on earrings without a mirror is pretty tough. First one is in, second one is in. The dangly one's in. Now I'm gonna put on the thread stone earrings. I think I might need a mirror for this, so I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. The thread ones are really cool. It was a lot easier to put in than I thought they were going to be, and they just slide right in. I am curious to know though if they would eventually like fall out of my ear over time. I'm not sure. At this time, I also cannot speak on the durability portion and the longevity of the jewelry wear, just because I haven't had them for a long time. But they do seem really high quality from what I can tell initially, and they seem really solid. Like it feels substantial and it doesn't feel cheap, if that makes any sense. So this is what my right ear looks like. It's really pretty. I love the look of this. It gives a really nice layered, stacked type of look. I really love it. I think if you have multiple piercings, the thread one is really cool to have. On their website, they also have a ton of different designs incorporating gemstones, pearls, like all that good stuff. So definitely check them out. I think their designs are really unique and fun. They very much stand out, I think, from the crowd of jewelry brands. I am excited to explore more of their jewelry in the future. I think if you like more statement pieces, you will really like MISSOMA because they have a ton of variety. But that is everything, you guys. I'm sorry if I didn't have as many pieces to show you in this video than I did in other brand reviews. If you're curious, go ahead and check out my other brand review videos on Missouri and Lanier, of course. I hope this unboxing and review video on MISSOMA was helpful to you if you guys were considering their pieces. Please like if you haven't already, subscribe if you want to stick around, and I will talk to you guys in the comments.